Ooh, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to When Moon Trading. Happy fucking Monday. We have a lot to talk about. First of all, let's just look at the corn, okay? What is going on? What is happening? We saw a dump from the high here at like 72K to the absolute abyss, right? To about 65,000. Um, it's looking like we're recovering, boys. That might have been the bottom. We got this value area here, and we're just knocking on the door of the value area low right now. Here on the 4 hour, and this is a super bullish candle here. We had a green vector. If we get back in the zone here, we're going to be looking right up to about 70,000. Of course, we got some resistance in the way. I got some VWAPs. But big thing I want to look at is down here. I know you guys know that I love my RSIs, okay? Look at this beautiful, beautiful bullish divergence here at the lows. At the first low, and then you can even count this one as the second low, even though it was basically a double bottom here. Bottoming formation, you could say that's a W. Bullish RSI divergence, right? We had a daily here, which, isn't too much to look at on a daily, but we cleared that. We acted as support. So, yeah, so we're just knocking on the door of some resistance right now. I think we come back up here, at least come back in this range and hopefully break out. We're still in a bull market. Don't forget it. Long and chill, essentially. If you guys didn't buy the dip, then I feel sorry for you. Speaking about buying the dip, we got to talk about something important here. So, as some of you may know, I'm trying to do a $1,000 to $100,000 trading challenge, and I haven't made a video in 2 weeks. And there's a couple of reasons for that. Mainly, I've just been busy. I went camping. I went out of town. I've been working late some nights. I just didn't feel like making a video, or I didn't really take many trades. So I didn't really feel the need to make one, even though I should have, and it's something I'm going to try to do more often. But the biggest thing is that where we left off here, I'm going to bring this up. We left off about 2 weeks ago now. I was sitting at about 35.64, so 3,600, let's say. And like I said, I started with 868. Midway through last week, I got up to about 6,400, 6,500. And then I took a bad trade, and I think I longed like 67 something. I think I longed up here. Yeah, like 68,000. I didn't put a stop loss. And anyways, I lost like $2,500. I lost about 30% in that one trade. There was no reason to be in the trade. I was just trying to catch a falling knife, and I lost about 30%. And then I started to revenge trade. And I jump back in, I up my leverage, I jump back in along, and about 30 seconds go by, and I stop, I'm staring at my chart, I'm looking at this, and I say, no, I can't do that. That's gambling mentality, that's amateur shit, I'm better than that, so I closed my trade. So I had like a $2,400, $2,500 loss. And I didn't really trade since then, and that was like last Monday or Tuesday or something. And here's what I did. So I had a balance of about 4,000. Give or take, okay, which is great. We started at 868 and we had 4,000 in 6 weeks. That's huge. We're up. What is this? What is this here? 9. I got to change this manually. No, I don't. So we're up 360% in 6 weeks. But you know what? I the only losses I had, and I had some big losses. You guys remember that the $3,000 loss, and then I had another, like I said, $2,500 loss. The only losses I had were when I entered the trade for the shit of it, just not being in a trade and not following my rules and not putting stop losses and stuff. And I said, you know what, I can't do that, because it's one thing when you're playing with like $6,000 or something, but if I'm doing that with like $30, $40, $50,000 and making dumb mistakes like that, like I can't do that. So that's part of the reason. The other reason is I got a lot of expenses coming up. I need new tires for my car. I need new brakes for my car. And I think it's the calipers, and I got a new Civic, and it's electric calipers or something like that. All that means is it's fucking expensive. So I'm looking to spend like $2,000 to $3,000 on my car in the next week or two. I'm going on a trip out east. I'm going to Prince Edward Island in a couple of weeks. So I got to get all this done. And I said, you know what? Screw it. I'm not going to revenge trade. I'm not going to try to win this money back. I'm going to cash out. So I cashed out about $3,000. Okay. And I'm happy with that. Listen, I would have loved to just stay in this and just do my $1,000 to $100,000, but I know myself, and it's only a matter of time before I give this money back, right? and I can't do that. So I cashed out 3K. So right now we're gonna reset. Here's what we're gonna do. I got about 910. I just counted all my sub accounts. What I've done is I spread this through 8 accounts, where, as you can see here, I got a fuck ton of bots going on. About 74, maybe not 74. Some of these, like these dead zone ones, aren't active. And I'm going to try to shift completely automated trading. Now, it's not perfect. There were a few trades that didn't trigger today, which kind of annoyed me. I should have brought it up. But so there's one or two that didn't trigger. So I'm going to have to look into that. But I don't want to manually trade anymore. I just want this to run in the background. So I'm kind of going to restart. We're not going to do, I don't think I can hit 100K by the end of the year, especially now if we start over. I would need like 15-20% a week. But I think that's the best thing, guys. Oh, I also moved $500 to my main account, and I bought some DOT and Link at the lows yesterday. So I did I did buy some altcoins with some of this profit, and I cashed out the rest. Cashed out around like 2,800 or so, and yeah, we're just gonna start over. We're gonna start over. We're gonna do this right. I know I can do it, and I want you guys to watch and follow along. I want to be real about this. I don't want to, I don't want to bullshit anything. So that's where we are right now. It's already taken a few trades today, but I think what I'm going to do too is because I have some I don't want to say passive income. I have a job, right? So I have money that I can put into the markets, every week, every other week. So I think I might do that. I think maybe 1 or 2 paychecks a month. I'm gonna spread it out between all these different sub accounts and just keep bringing the bots up and whatnot. So I got to go through all this. I got to add all my bots in my spreadsheet here so we can organize it and whatnot. But yeah. So for now, I just want to let you guys know what's going on. I didn't die. Okay, I didn't get completely liquidated. It is what it is. I just been busy. So we're gonna get back on the horse here. We're gonna try to do a video every weekend, and yeah, we're gonna try to get fucking rich and take some money away from the big boys. So hope you guys like this. Just had to do a quick edit. Yeah, so if there's any altcoins you want me to cover or any questions you may have, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tick my little bell. I got some links down below if you want to sign up under me and, make me fucking rich. That'd be great. So love you all. Good luck. And may the charts be with you.